Good morning, greetings to everyone. My name is Charles Mabona from Mabona Video and Sound Production. Now, in this morning, I just want to say, guys, on this YouTube channel, we are going to get more and more information that is about the connection of the sound system, the monitoring of the sound system, the taking care of the sound system, and also the operation of the sound system, how we are connecting. So we'll talk about the connection from the mixers, amplifier, crossover, you know, all different instruments there. So we'll be getting that in our YouTube channel. So check this page and also subscribe there. Subscribe. My name is Charles Mabona, and I want you guys to take a good monitoring on this so that you get an update as to what is happening. Yes, thank you very much, guys. My name is Charles Mabona. Keep on watching this page, YouTube, subscribe on it, and then tell us other topics that you want us to cover. As from now going forward, we'll be getting the information there. Thank you very much. My name is Charles Mabona from Mabona Video and Sound Production, and we will be assisting you how to take care of your sound, how to connect, how to make a way that you don't blow up these speakers. Pastors, after Easter, we'll start talking, training your sound engineers, presenting for your sound engineers, the choir masters, the worshiping team, the church itself. Thank you very much. Have a nice Easter and a blessed one. Thank you. Bye.